Hello and welcome to another exciting story from the DIY diorama of clever diecast cars. In today's video, you'll see a car accident and join me in clearing the accident site. A very nice diecast model of a Porsche is speeding on the streets of my Diorama City. After the curve near the supermarket parking lot, a crane is busy recovering a blue car that was involved in an accident. The Porsche couldn't brake in time and went over the edge of the parking lot, getting stuck there. Once we've cleared the accident site together, I'll show you some interesting diecast model cars from my collection. An American ambulance is already at the scene. Luckily, the driver of the Porsche is not injured. Shall we move the ambulance together to make room for the tow truck that's soon to arrive? Since the German police officers were nearby with their BMW, they've secured the accident site. That's a nice BMW, I think it's from Matchbox, right? Now we need a tow truck. Let's take the yellow tow truck and head to the accident site. We've learned that unfortunately the police car is broken. So, let's tow the police car first. Now it's the Porsche's turn. We also need to take care of the other accident site. As you know, I have over 100 police cars, but this police car is my favorite. Do you know what brand it is? Now, I will show you some model cars. I have no idea what brand this is, but it's a very nice model car. Very elegant design. I really like the red and black combination. And here we have a muscle car. Definitely a V8 engine. Also a nice diecast model. You can't miss that it's a Hot Wheels, right? This must be a Ram, right? Definitely from Matchbox. I hope you enjoyed my video. Tomorrow, there will be another new original clever diecast cars video from my DIY diorama.